home DIY. You can say it is with charcoal here, and you can open it for one no gas. Open for one no gas. No gas 1 kilogram like square. This is new in the market. Only we have in the world we have patents.
Hi, thank you.
Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
This is Joey from Industry Machinery.
Yeah.
First, I want to share with you this kind of machine. This is kind of like, thank you. This is for home DIY. You can say it is with charcoal here, and you can open it for one no gas. Open for one no gas. No gas 1 kilogram like square. This is new in the market. Only we have in the world we have patents.
World we have just only
Yeah,
one.
just only one.
Wow.
For now, this is no customers not yet.
Yeah.
So, coming, follow us.
Tell me, contact your email.
Contact our
Okay.
email, yeah. You wanna be the first to use the graphic in Korean? Yeah.
Could you tell me the Korean audience who wanna interested in the product, who interested in this product, how can they contact you?
Oh, you can contact
Email?
my email,
Email?
directly or WhatsApp.
Email or WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Then ordering using and by email, you
Yeah.
are apply to them.
Yeah,
Okay?
for
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah.
This is a review of the AWT handheld flux core MIG welder. If you look at this base, this is how it functions. They completely come off and they just kind of, it's not a complicated system. It's not bad. It's not a bad weld. I'd imagine if you were running this for a while, that would suck. This got a little bit of weight to it. Arm would probably get tired. It's not like running a gun.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. For the time for our video, thank you. That's so embarrassing.
그래서 이메일이나 위챗 뭐 채팅